Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the questions which are came in semester exams in data science paper. So let's start with the first question. Data science paradigm and data types. Now what are two types of research? How can we get data? First is hypothesis driven research and second is data driven research. Hypothesis research is an approach that begins with the specific hypothesis or theories that researchers are aimed to test. Whereas data driven research, this approach is with data collection of uses statistical analysis to find the patterns and relationship within the data, which can be then formulated to hypothesis. Like a pharmaceutical company hypothesis that a drug will lower the blood pressure and they conduct clinical trials, whereas a retail company collects the data that all over the stores by uses machine learning algorithms to identify the customer purchases behavior to inform the marketing team strategies. Now data can be of many types: structured, unstructured, qualitative, quantitative, big data. Structured data, which is organized in fixed format, like data in relational databases, SQL. Unstructured data is not as predefined, like text from email, social media. Quantitative, numerical that can be measured, quantitative. Categorical data, which can be divided into categories. Big data, extreme large data sets can be analyzed computationally by revealing patterns, trend, and association. They are data generated from social media platform. Common data sources format is databases and APIs, okay, and sensor data. Now, data imputation. The process of replacing missing data is called data imputation. Now, choosing the best method depends on the data type, pattern, missingness, mean, median, imputation, nearest neighbor, predictive modeling. Risk of mean imputation, it can reduce the variability of the data, linked to the bias estimation. If the missing value in income is imputed in the income, the resulting data set underestimates the income variability. Nearest neighbor imputation. The method replaces the missing value with the most similar observation in the algorithm. It is also known as KNN, that is K nearest neighbors. To find the closest of the points imputes the missing values based on their neighbors. Now, what is linear regression? Linear regression models depends relationship between a dependent variable and one more independent variable fitting in a linear equation to be observed. Best fit line determination minimizes the sum of square differences between observed value and the values that is predicted by the model. Now this is the algorithm of the linear regression, that is n equals to ln x, mean sum x n, sum mean y, sum y, calculating numerator sum x minus mean star. We have set the range, then another range for the denominator, numerator and denominator mean, return the value. Here the regular regression formula. Okay. Now KNN, that is nearest neighbor algorithm. Now KNN is a simple non-parametric algorithm which is used for classification and regression. Now this method classifies the majority classes among its k nearest neighbors. Impact of KNN: choosing a small k can make the model sensitive to noise. So while a large k can make the smooth out of boundaries, which might be led to underfitting. The cross validation can be used for finding the optimal k. Now, what is k-mean and hierarchical clustering? K-mean clustering. K-mean clustering is dividing the data set into k clusters based on the distance of centroids, which are iteratively adjusted. It is efficient, and the disadvantages, it requires specifying the numbers of clusters in advance. Now build a tree of clusters by either agglomerate and divisive methods. Now advantage, it does not require any specifying the number of cluster. Dendrograms can be useful for visualizing the relationship, and it is computationally expensive. Decision tree ensemble. Decision tree advantages are easy to understand, easy to handle numerical categorical value, requires data preprocessing. Disadvantages: overfitting, unstable with small variation in data. Ensemble methods are combines multiple decision tree to reduce overfitting and improve generalization. Sequentially building trees, which are trees corrects errors from made by the previous ones, enhancing the model performance. Data errors in the tiny data sets. Customer ID, zip code, missing value of 1106, zip code non-numeric out of the old values, missing the value and invalid entry, negative, that is income cannot be negative, age can be consistent and non-consistent value, that is C, missing an invalid value, that is SMWVD, transaction reasonable entries but not benefit from more validation. Now let's go move dive towards the case study. First we have to analyze the unstructured data. Method text mining and natural language processing can be analyze the written complaints. Now automating complaint classification. Text mining techniques like utilize algorithms to automatically categorize the complaint among keywords, phrases, and context. Methods and technology, tokenization, parts of speech tagging, name entity recognition can be used. In tokenization, we divide a whole statement into small tokens. Now, parts of speech we remove only we assign each and every token a specific part of speech to each token, like that like a robber is a noun, and the thing bag was stolen, so the thing is also a noun and stolen is a verb, so we assign every parts of speech. Now named entity recognition, and we remove the useless words. Okay, now naive Bayes support vector machine, decision tree, and neural other algorithms. Now what is the approach to identify this section? Tokens the text, use name identity relation to identify the relevant entities, apply the classification of to the map to complete the legal sections, extract features, map features IPC and BNS predefined dictionary and machine learning models. Data structure hash table could be for quick keyboard lookup, trees for hierarchical categorization, decision tree, random forest, gradient machines. Input the complaint, tokenizes and extract the relevant features, use train models to appropriate sections. Now performance metrics, we can use matrix precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix, efficiency and accuracy. Evaluation access the model using precision, recall, F1 score and confusion score. I hope this is a detailed explanation help you understanding the concepts and method behind this data science. Thank you. Please like, comment and share to my video.